Markel, they delivered. It's a completely new kitchen. This is beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. This is the bar, and it's really great and easy. New pantry, that wasn't there. A new ceiling, they made the beams. New lighting. It's much more open, we have space. It's light and bright. It doesn't look anything like it was before. It was 2005, brown. The cabinets weren't in great condition, so pretty much everything was done. One of the best features of my favorite features, I've been doing a lot of cooking and baking like most people, so it makes it super easy to get spices. They've made it so easy with the handles. It comes right out. We love, love, love this. It's pretty fabulous. It's so amazing to have all your pots and pans here. Markel design made me a nice pantry that I can see everything. The inspiration for the kitchen came from Kaylee Kuko's old bar. Once I showed that to the team at Markel, they knew exactly what I wanted. And we actually have an open space. So we get to see our outside, our backyard. It's our favorite room in the house. We love it. Markel was really impressive. They communicated with us every step of the way. When this kitchen was done, it's even better than what we thought. They were really good to us.